The double chevron stitch is worked between two stitch lines. Begin by making a diagonal stitch from the top to the bottom. Pluck a bit of the fabric backwards horizontally and make a stitch to sit under the diagonal stitch. Make another diagonal stitch and continue with the process. Don't let the horizontal stitches touch each other and ensure that there is enough gap. Make another row of chevron stitch over this row to cover the gaps. While doing so, take the needle under the horizontal stitches alternately so that both the rows hold each other down. Let me know if you like this stitch. And please don't forget to check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. The link is given in the description. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.